After reaching 9,000 subs in just 2 days, I made it to almost 9,200 subs. I guess by the time I post the video, it will be at 9,200. However, I've also noticed that only 3.6% of viewers are subscribed. I want to reach 10,000 subs, so please subscribe to my channel because starting today, only my subscribers will have a better chance to get free Nitro. Okay, enough yapping. I made this video to inform you that, as you know, there's Discord birthday happening and almost everyone got 1 week free Nitro. You don't need any payment method, you just get a pop-up. But after your free Nitro expires, you get another free Nitro pop-up that tells you to extend your Nitro trial for another week. As tempting as it may sound, this time they ask you for payment method. Now many people in my comment section say, asking for payment method means the Nitro is not free. No, that's not the case. Discord asks for a payment method because they only want to give free Nitro to those who can afford it later after the free Nitro expires. They don't just want to give it to people who will take the free Nitro and walk away. I mean, bro, Discord is a business and they want to make a profit just like other businesses. So don't keep crying in my comment section, oh, it's fake and it's not free. I mean, just because you're under 18 and don't own a bank account and can't claim free Nitro, it doesn't mean others can't get it. Anyway, this is not Epic Games Nitro, it's Discord's birthday Nitro. If you have a payment method, you can claim this free Nitro and enjoy it. I also want to add, don't beg for payment method from random people. That's illegal and I don't promote that on my channel. If you got in trouble, don't blame me. And if you like this video, hit the like and subscribe button because, as I mentioned at the start of the video, only my subscribers will get free Nitro. You can also join my Discord server for quick Nitro offers.